Okay, here's a continuation of the notes. Number 4. Let me go quicker now. Here it is. Negative 6x minus 8y equals 50. And we have x is equal to negative 3y. Okay, solving by substitution. We're going to substitute one equation into the other. All right, look for the equation that says x is equal to, and then something else, or y is equal to something else. Sometimes you'll substitute for x, sometimes you'll substitute for y. So x here says is equal to this, to negative 3y, right? X is equal to negative 3y. That means that you're going to substitute for x there in the other equation. Okay, so let's substitute. Okay, so that's going to be negative 6 times, what do we write instead of x? Negative 3y minus 8y equals 50. Okay, that's going to give you negative 6 times negative 3y, 18y, positive 18y, minus 8y is equal to 50. And that's going to be 18y, take away 8y, 10y is equal to 50. Here it is, y is equal to 5. Okay, I found the first coordinate. Sometimes you'll find the x coordinate first, sometimes you'll find the y coordinate first. Okay, you found y is equal to 5. Okay, you got to find the other coordinate, right? Because you got to find the value of x, the coordinate for x, the coordinate for y. We just found y. How do you find the other coordinate? How do you find the other coordinate? You go back over here to your original system, one of these two equations, and you're going to choose one of these to substitute. Well, obviously we're going to use this, the simple one here. X is equal to negative 3y. I'm going to use this one. And just remember, you already found out that y is equal to what? That y is equal to 5. So you're going to substitute again. That's why it's called substitution method. So x is going to be whatever negative 3 times this value of y is. Negative 3 times what? Y is 5. That means x is equal to negative 15. Okay, there it is. I found both of my coordinates. Found my x coordinate, have my y coordinate. Remember, you got to write your solution as an ordered pair. Write it correctly. First the x, then the y. X is negative 15, y is positive 5. That's how you need to write your solution and enter it. Okay, the other type of problems, right? Because we did one like this in the first video. The other ones, the other two, I'll do 2 more examples. They're a little bit different. It is still substitution method, but they're different. Okay, let's go with the last 2. 5 and 6. 5. Oh no, that was 4. Oh, that was 4. 5. Okay, here's the system. Y is equal to 2x plus 24. And y is equal to negative 2x. Okay, if you notice for these, this one says y is equal to this, and this one also says y is equal to this. When you have them both saying, y is equal to or x is equal to, when y is equal to this and then y is equal to this, you can just set these equal to each other, right? Because y is the same as y. You could put y is equal to y. which means it'll be the first y for this first equation here. That y says what? 2x plus 24. And put that one, because that one's y, and that's equal to this one, which is also y, so the y is equal to itself, is equal to what? This other y, which y here is what? Negative 2x. You put them equal to each other. And then see, you'll be left with one variable here to solve for. Okay, so solve for this variable. That'll be, well, since the number's over here, I'm going to move this over here. So that'll be 24, which is positive, is equal to this negative 2x. And then when this positive moves that way, it's also going to be, it's going to turn negative. So I'll have 24 is equal to negative 2 added to another negative 2, negative 4x. And when you divide by negative 4, you'll have x equals negative 6. All right, I got one of the answers. We found one of the coordinates. We found the x coordinate first. Now remember, you got to find the other one. So I have the x coordinate. What do I need to do? You need to go back to find the other coordinate, come back to this system, and you'll substitute this value of x. You just got to choose which one. Which one are you gonna choose to use? And I look at the one that kind of looks a little bit more simple to work with. I'm going to use this one. It doesn't matter which one. You'll get the same answer. I'm going to choose the y is equal to negative 2 times x. Okay, and I just found out that x is how much? You can write it this way. X is what? Negative 6, or negative 6 equals x. I got x equals negative 6, so I'm going to put here what? For x, I'm going to put what? Negative 6, right? Because x is equal to negative 6. That's the value you just found for x. Negative 2 times negative 6, that's easy. Y is equal to a positive 12. Okay, found my both coordinates. I have them now. Remember, write your answer as a solution. Remember, the solution represents where these two lines intersect. And make sure you write it correctly. The solution, remember, x is first, then y. So negative 6 for the x coordinate, and y is 12. So this is the solution. Okay, one more like this, pretty easy. One more and then that's it. Okay, last example, number 6. Let's go with y is equal to 8x, and y is again also equal to 4x plus 8. Okay, so we have this scenario again. We got y is equal to this, and we got y is equal to this. You can put this one here, you can put this one here. Bottom line, y is equal to y. This y, this one, which is this 8x, is equal to this one. You just put the expressions equal to each other. I'll put this one, which is this y is equal to 8x equal to this other y over here. Y is equal to 4x plus 8. And then I'm going to solve that. Right, this is this first one, y is equal to 8xy. We put this y equal to this one. Okay, solve this, you're going to get 4x equals 8. You'll get x equals 2. Found the x coordinate. Right, I subtracted 4x, so 8 take away 4 is 4. 4x equals 8. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Okay, I found the x coordinate. What do you do to find the other coordinate? This is going to happen all the time. Once you find the first coordinate, you have to come back to this, to your original system right here, these two equations that were given in the beginning. When you find one of the answers for one of the coordinates, again, sometimes you'll find x first, sometimes you'll find y first. You come back over here and you choose one. Which one do you want to choose to again? Because you have to substitute. So I'm going to choose the easier one, this one. Y is equal to 8x. And I found out what x is. If x is equal to 2, then that's going to mean that y is equal to 8 times what? 8 times the value of x, which is 2. 8 times 2, oh, y is equal to 16. And I have my x coordinate, I have my y coordinate, write a solution. Remember, these are two lines and they are intersecting, and you are giving me the solution is that, remember the solution is that, the solution is where the two lines intersect. You got to give me the coordinates. X goes first, 2, and then 16, or whatever the value of y is. There you go. Okay, hopefully pretty easy. There you go.